To begin adding a user, click Settings. Select Users and Permissions. Click Users. Click Add User. Enter the user's first name, last name, and email address. Select the user's role from the drop-down list. Standard user and administrator appear as the default roles, but additional roles can be added to this list. Users can be assigned to specific customers or to all customers. Select the customers from the Assigned Customers drop-down list. Select the checkbox to acknowledge your understanding of how MSP Manager builds for active users. Click the Save icon at the top of the pane to save the user information. The user is added to MSP Manager and must be enabled prior to sending an activation email. Click the pencil icon to edit the user. Select the Enabled checkbox under Status. Select the checkbox for acknowledgement. Click the Save icon. And then click the envelope icon to send the activation email to the new user.